So today's video is going to be a shop update. We got Matt finally here, and we are unloading a ton of stuff. Just check it out. Most of it is heavy, ain't it, Matt?
All of it's heavy, I believe.
All of it, well, maybe 90% of it's a little heavy. We done unloaded a couple things. In case you didn't know what this bolts to your cylinder head so you can get a true bore size. This is actually for a small box Chevy. That's a boring bar. You might see it in some quick photo updates. You know, on the channel I do sometimes post photos. And that's a little table for us.
And goes with that little
table
home.
Yeah.
It's got a home head on top of it. It's an LB home.
Oh God, that looks heavy.
We fixed to find out.
Oh, we're fixing to find out. Got some more engine blocks. We can't have an automotive, you know, pretty much channel without engines, can we, Matt?
Nope.
Exactly. Some grills for a Chevrolet, and then power grill right here. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Got a few old dings, but it's all original. A bunch of odds and ends stuff that's on pallets. That's extremely heavy. So I guess we need to get unloading it. So we got a lot of this unloaded, but now when you got a rollback and you got a little bitty ramp and a lot of heavy stuff, the ramp on these things ain't wide enough for a power jack. So what we did, we took the rollback bed, just little magic, and then we can get inside and roll this, all these engines and stuff onto the rollback, and then take it to the shop, tilt the bed down, roll everything off of it. That's the game plan anyway. Work harder. I mean, work smarter, not harder. You can see the little ramp. It's small. Power jack big man power jack. Ain't it, Matt?
Yes.
You guess. You think you got them roped in not pretty good? Pontiac's looking good.
Didn't go anywhere, so.
Yep. Special stand. Special for it. All the goodies. We got it emptied out so far, so we get these moved onto the rollback and we'll get them into the shop. We'll be making good time.
Oh yeah.
So we're moving the U-Haul out of the way because we got everything loaded up here. Now we gotta take it to the shop door and unload it up. We're just gonna tilt the bed up and let it drop. Thinking ahead. So this is the next day. We had tons of help show up and we got busy, and it took all day to not just unload this, but to move everything out of the other side and haul it to the other building. There was one 15-foot U-Haul worth of stuff back there, and there also was two 17-foot rollback hauls of stuff back there. Couches, refrigerators, you know, display cases, tons of stuff. So we had to move all that, and by the time we got done, I didn't have time to video. Need to set up some cameras and stuff for that on tripods so you get all different angles. But here's what we brought in so far. We got the 455 for the Grand Prix. You've seen it on the channel if you're an old subscriber. It's been a while, but that's the new motor was built for it. Tons of LS blocks and stuff. A brand new Chevelle dash for the Chevelle build that we are doing. Not the floppy second Chevelle, but the one with all new sheet metal and everything. We got another engine over behind that. Let me just change the camera angle. I don't know why I'm trying to do that. So the lighting may not be the best. It's in the evening. But this is the box we done had down here. 305. We manufactured all new. Just been setting, you know, going to waste. 400 blocks, 350 blocks, 480. LS, 60,000 mile LS. This is the 455. Look at that. That's a beautiful engine. I mean, just beautiful. Over here we got another LS block. Some big blocks. 454. One's a tall deck. I think 427 maybe. Tall deck and a. Don't hold me to it. I can't remember. We got the old school one bar. This is good. We did a few frees with this before. It looks great set up like that. This is for like a little bitty home setup. And that's a small but Chevy torque plate that I showed you earlier. The CK10 home, of course. You seen that. You seen we suffer heads and blocks. That's the pot washer we had set over in the corner. And I don't know if you can see, I didn't bring a light with me, but that's empty. Besides some wood to remodel with. The bathroom we're going to remodel. We're hoping to do it this week, but it needs a new, hot water heater. And here's where the fuse box and stuff is. Can you see? Probably extremely dark. And I got a flash on this camera. Does it light up? Oh my God! I found a new feature on my phone. So this is everything we got in here. Once upon a time, somebody tried to break in, and they fell through the roof. On this, that's the other door. And go take another look at the bathroom and stuff, since you can see extremely well now. I didn't know I had a flash on it. Well, I knew I had a flash, but I didn't think it worked while I was recording. That's a game changer. That's the dryer. If you've seen Clay in previous videos, he donated that. We need a washer, and I think we got someone giving us a washer. Now you get a good view of everything. That's some parts for the head resurfacer. That is a 351 Cleveland. No, that is not for the Maverick. That is for the Ford Torino that you ain't seen many videos of yet. Seen a couple. That's the lay and the sandblaster and stuff. Tons of UPS boxes here with parts in them. USPS boxes. Tons of parts. We got sandblaster and stuff. Some tools. Oh yeah. Getting ahead of myself. Forgot this door's open. This needs to come out. It's kind of falling apart. I do believe we do all this. Up here, this. Can you see it given? That's an oil pit. So it used to be an oil pit you drive in, you go do oil changes. This is in here, all trash. There's a garage door behind this drywall that we're going to have to pull the tin off the building. And the garage door is still there. It just got drywalled up and tin cover in the front. So you've seen the inside out, but there's still a lot of work to go on at the shop. But we got a lot accomplished in one day. Let me tell you, a ton done. Oh, we got a Chevelle grill out there too. We got some Chevrolet grills. Just a lot of stuff we got done. Well, I'm very happy what we got done. Matt's very happy what we got done. Teamwork. Me and Matt's always been a good team. We've always been able to accomplish a lot. And it just pays to surround your people. You know, have friends that has the same goals as you, and you all can look together, and you each got the same goals, which extra helps, or you build up on each other. So one takes a step, the other one takes a step, you take a step, and you can just reach the sky with the right people. So hope you enjoy this video, this update. Matt brought a lot of goodies in. He's going to teach us how to run a lot of this. We'll probably be doing a C10 truck cab in here to the 454 C10, which ain't seen in years. I know. Some of you still comment on that video of us installing headers. If you didn't know, check out C10 454 on my channel, TattsForLife. Go watch us install headers, a transmission. It's got a Holly Sniper and everything on it. It's a brute of an engine. It's one of the older builds of the channel, and it's just fun to watch if you enjoy stuff like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this update, this fun video of watching us just cause chaos. I wish I could have shot more, but like I said, stuff happens. I got busy. But here in a couple of days, hopefully, more content to come. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the support. I sure do. And Matt does. Everybody does. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. Wish us luck working down here this week, and happy holidays.